In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we need to head on over to YouTube TV, which is tv.youtube.com. Now from here on the right hand side, make sure to log in. Once you've logged in, click onto your user profile and then click into settings. Then you'll be taken to settings inside your account. And now once this page loads, you will see on the left hand side there will be tabs. So these tabs from membership, family sharing, we need to click onto privacy, and then where it says manage search history, go ahead and view, click on view. Now this is going to take into your search history inside YouTube TV. So if I scroll down here, we've got a few searches. So we got, if you don't want any one of these searches to appear in your history, just simply go ahead and click on the X button like so, and also deleting now. If you got a few that you want to delete, just go ahead and click on delete, and then we can either delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. If I want to delete my search history for today, I'll click delete today, and that will go ahead and delete that search history for you for today.